Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to use Trello's Card Co-Assignees Power-Up, your ultimate tool for collaborative project management in 2025. To kick things off, make sure you've got your Trello board open and ready. The reason we do this is because the board is where all your tasks, represented as cards, live. The next step is to enable the Card Co-Assignees Power-Up. To do this, click on Show Menu on your Trello board, then Power-Ups, and finally select Card Co-Assignees. This helps us because it allows us to add multiple people to a single card, promoting collaboration and task sharing in your team. Once you've enabled the Power-Up, it's time to add your co-assignees. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Trello is creating a shared space on the card for these co-assignees. Click on the card you want to assign, then the Members button, and start typing the names of your team members. Remember, you can add as many co-assignees as you need. This step is important because it ensures that everyone responsible for a task is in the loop, fostering clear communication within your team. Now that we've done that, it's crucial to keep track of the card's progress. To do this, click on the card, then the Activity button, and you'll see a list of all actions taken on the card. Let me explain why this matters. It provides a real-time update of what's been done and what's pending, ensuring everyone is on the same page. Next up, use the Comments feature to communicate with your co-assignees. Just click on the card, then Comments, and type your message. This is a fantastic way of maintaining open dialogue, asking questions, and providing updates without leaving the Trello board. And there you have it, a quick and easy guide to using Trello's Card Co-Assignees Power-Up. Remember, the key to using this feature effectively is open communication and regular updates. With this tool, collaborative project management has never been easier. Thanks for watching, and remember to keep exploring Trello to make project management a breeze.